Hi guys, today at Safe Tech we are going to be reverse engineering this part before you. It came off our MPEP, which is a vehicle that you can control remotely, and it can be used to operate as a forklift or even drive fence posts outdoors over some pretty tough terrains. Right here is a part that came off of it, and as you can see it has some pretty unique profiles, and we want to get those dimensions and add them into a CAD file to make a drawing of it for future reference or manufacturing purposes. Right here we have our absolute roamer arm from Hexagon. We'll be using it to scan our part today and import it into GeoMagick as a point cloud. And let's go ahead and get started.